In this short section, we would like to show you how to work with the HD Ranger 2 meter by using the touchscreen. In the spectrum analyzer mode, you can tune any frequency just by directly tapping the point of interest in the frequency band shown in the screen. When we press the screen and drag our finger over it, we will be scrolling up and down the frequency band. You can access as well the different menus from F1, F2, F3, and F4 by tapping on the virtual keys shown in the lower part of the screen. In the same way, you can input a frequency value, write a file name, and so on by using the virtual keyboard, which will pop up when needed. By pressing the top right corner of the screen, the other preferences menus can be accessed, as well as spectrum, measurements, and TV modes. A direct way to change the sub-mode where we are operating is to tap the top center part of the screen. Opening the installation manager is as well quite straightforward by tapping the top left part of the screen.